Welcome back to the class. I hope you are enjoying the class. So in this class now, we'll be solving other questions on functions of functions. So now let's look at these questions and let's look at how to solve it the proper way and also how to use short form to solve this question. Now, solution. We have y is equals to 1 over root 1 plus x to the power 2. Now, okay, if I have root x, from our indices, we can change this to x to the power 1 over 2. X to the power 1 over 2. So, here now we are having root 1 plus x to the power 2 in brackets. So this means we can change it to 1 plus x to the power 2 or raised to the power what? R. Or raised to the power R. So then we change this to y equals to 1 over 1 plus x raised to the power 2 or raised to the power what? R. R 1 over 2. So now we now say that let u equals to 1 plus x to the power 2. Then we find the derivatives of the u over what? The x. So which is, this is a constant, 0, plus this will be 2x, 2 minus 1. So we have the u over the x equals to 2x, because 2 minus 1 equals what? 1, and x to the power 1 is something as x. So we have our du over the x equals to what? 2x. Now we now go back. We have that y equals to 1 over u, everything here is u raised to the power r. U raised to the power what? R, 1 over 2. Of which you can express this as y equals to u raised to the power minus 1 over 2. That is the inverse. 1 over, we have 1 over x in indices, we can change this to x to the power minus 1. X to the power minus 1. So, now, the derivatives of the y over the x, which is equals to, this will come down, we have 1 over 2, minus 1 over 2, u raised to the power minus 1 over 2 minus 1. Then we simplify the fraction. We have the y over the x, which is equals to minus 1 over 2 u raised to the power. Now this is over 1. You find the SM is 2. 2 into 2 is 1. 1 times 1 is minus 1. This is over 1. 1 in 2 is 2. And 2 times minus 1, we have minus 2. So we have the y over the x equals to minus 1 over 2 u raised to the power minus 3 over 2. So the derivatives of y in respect to u, this is u, sorry, in respect to u, in respect to what? To u. In respect to u. In respect to u is equals to minus 1 over 2 u raised to power minus 3 over 2. Now, from our chain rule, which is the y over the x, which is equals to the y over the u times the u over the x. So we have the y over the u, which is equals to minus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 u raised to power minus 3 over 2 times the u over the x. The u over the x, the u over the x, the u over the x is equals to what? 2x. Is equals to what? The 2x over the x. So is equals to what? 2x. So we have 2x times 2x. So now let's simplify this now. This is just like we're having minus 1 over 2 or 1 over 2 times 2. So this 2 we cancel this 2. This 2 we cancel this 2. We have minus u raised to power 3 over 2 times x. So we're having minus x u raised to power what? Minus 3 over 2. So, but our u equals to what? Our u equals to 1 plus s squared 2. Our u equals to 1 plus s squared 2. 1 plus s squared 2. Our u equals to 1 plus s squared 2. So now let's substitute for u. So we have the y over the x equals to minus x u is now 1 plus x squared 2 1 plus s squared 2 raised to power what? Minus 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2. Minus 3 over 2. So we can change this to this form, to fraction form. This is inverse. It means minus x times 1 over 1 plus x all raised to power 3 over 2. So we have our dy over the x equals to minus x over 1 plus x so let's move to another page. So we have dy over the x equals to minus x over, let's go back, minus x times 1 we have in minus x, this is over 1, minus x times 1 we have minus x, and 1 times the whole of this we have the whole of this. So we have 1 plus x is power 2, that's power 2 here. So we have 1 plus x is power 2, 1 plus x is power 2, or is power what? 3 over 2. 3 over 2. 3 over 2. So 3 over 2. Now let's look at the short form. So the short form we have the question to be y equals to y equals to 1 over roots 1 plus x to the power 2. Now, let's look at short form now. Short form. So we have to express this in index form. Now this is, we know that this is 1 over 1 plus x to the power 2 all raised to the power r. So which we can change this to 1 plus x raised to the power 2 minus 1 over 2. So we have y to be equals to 1 plus x raised to the power 2 minus 1 over 2. So now we have to differentiate this now. The y over what? The x equals to. So we differentiate x first. We differentiate x here, we are having 2x. 2 minus 1, we are having what? X. So this is a constant, don't need that. This minus r will come down, we come and multiply this minus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2. Now you repeat this again, that is times, repeat it, 1 plus x squared minus 1 over 2. Then you deduct 1. So we have the y over the x equals to this. We cancel this. We have x times minus 1. We have minus x times. Now we have 1 plus x to the power 2. Now let's simplify this. This is over 2. 2 into 1 minus 1. This is over 1. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 times minus 1, we have minus 2. So we have the y over the x now equals to minus x times 1 plus x squared minus 3 over 2. So then we can change this to have it in that form. So we are having the y over the x now equals to minus x times this minus 1, that is inverse 1 plus x squared all raised to the power 3 over 2. So now we have the y over the x now equals to minus x times this, we have minus x over 1 plus x squared all raised to the power 3 over 2, which is same answer with what we got here. So that is how to solve using short form. Yes, fine. Thanks for watching this video. In the next class, we'll be looking at another part of calculus. See you next class.